Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Gusto to QuickBooks for clean bookkeeping, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Gusto to QuickBooks for clean bookkeeping, start by logging into your Gusto account. Navigate to the settings area in the left-hand menu. Look for the integrations section and select it. Click on Connect to QuickBooks. You will be prompted to choose the type of QuickBooks you are using. Select either QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop, depending on your setup. If you chose QuickBooks Online, you'll be directed to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Enter your QuickBooks credentials and click Sign In. Once signed in, you'll be asked to allow Gusto to access your QuickBooks data. Review the permissions and click Authorize. For QuickBooks Desktop users, Gusto will guide you through a unique process involving the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the necessary connector software. After installation, return to Gusto and complete the connection process as prompted. Once connected, set up your payroll settings in Gusto according to your business's needs. Verify that your employee data in Gusto matches the employee records in QuickBooks. Determine the frequency of data syncing between Gusto and QuickBooks. Select whether you prefer manual or automatic syncing options. After all settings are configured, run a test sync to ensure everything works smoothly. Check QuickBooks to confirm that employee payroll information from Gusto has been accurately updated. If any discrepancies occur, review the settings and data for errors. Once everything is confirmed to be correct, you are now ready to utilize Gusto with QuickBooks for streamlined bookkeeping. Regularly monitor your integration to ensure seamless data flow moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.